What is up guys, Chris here. Welcome back and Happy New Year. It has been a whole year now since I've been posting to this channel. It's crazy, time goes by so fast. And I wanted to make a video to reflect on how the year went, some of the things that I learned, and some of the things that I'm changing moving into 2024 with the content on this channel. 2023 was a crazy year for me personally. Technically, I started this channel in November of 2022, but 2023 was my first full year on YouTube. Outside of YouTube, I got married in July, found out a month later that I'm going to be a first-time dad, and just a few weeks ago, we found out that it's going to be a girl. So a lot of big things happening outside of YouTube. Now, back to YouTube. In 2023, I posted 39 long-form videos and 50 shorts. I think that it's something around there. Going back and watching some of my initial videos is both painful and reassuring at the same time. Painful because of how awkward I looked in front of the camera, but reassuring because when I look back at these videos, I can see how much progress I've made in the last year, which makes me really excited for the year ahead. I recently had a coaching call with another content creator, and something that he asked me changed my perspective on this channel and where that I wanted to head in the future. The question that he asked me is if I could make a video on anything and be guaranteed 100,000 views, what videos would I be making? It's a good question because it reframed the way that I've been thinking about YouTube. It's really easy to get caught up in the YouTube algorithm and to start thinking about what videos will do well rather than planning your videos on what you actually care about. And it's in this call that I realized that I've sort of been doing this on and off throughout 2023. There were of course videos that I made that I actually cared about, but there were also plenty of videos that I threw in there because I thought from a strategic perspective, they would do well rather than leading with the passion. So my big change for this channel heading into 2024 is to lead with passion and to let that be the compass that decides what videos that I post on this channel. Obviously, a big part of that is photography and photography gear, but I also want to show you guys more of the behind the scenes. How I actually use the gear that I'm using, where I'm going to take the photos that I'm taking, and more of the stories on the way, because really, that's what I love about photography and filmmaking. It's not just the photos that we take or the films that we create, but it's what they represent. It's the memories that you made on the way to getting those shots, to getting those videos. Since I've started with photography, I've gone to so many places that I never otherwise would have gone if I hadn't started photography. And that's what I want to share more of with you guys on this channel. Yes, camera gear is cool and I love camera gear, but I also want to show what photography is all about and why I love it so much. I already have a few videos in the works that I'm really excited about, so stay tuned for those and I'll see you guys in the next one.